In the lively town of Brightville, there lived a girl named Sarah who loved both reading and watching TV. One day, her teacher, Mr. Lewis, said,
I believe reading books is better than watching TV.
Mr. Lewis explained his claim to the class.
When you read a book, you use your imagination to picture the story in your mind. This helps your brain grow stronger.
The students listened closely as Mr. Lewis continued.
Reading also helps you learn new words. Every time you read, you can discover words you've never seen before.
Mr. Lewis shared another piece of evidence.
Books can take you on amazing adventures that last longer than a TV show. You can spend days or even weeks with a book, while a TV show ends in just a few minutes.
Finally, Mr. Lewis said,
These are the reasons why I believe reading books is better than watching TV.
Sarah decided to spend more time reading books to see if it really was better than watching TV. Comprehension questions. What is Mr. Lewis's claim in the story? Mr. Lewis claims that reading books is better than watching TV. How does Mr. Lewis say reading helps your brain? He says reading helps your brain grow stronger because you use your imagination. What does Mr. Lewis say you can learn from reading? He says you can learn new words by reading. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss an author's claim stories. I'll see you next time.